royalty. Ain't never made me and women. Treat all of my niggas like royalty. My brothers. And all of my bitches, they loyal to me. Yeah. Hey, yeah. Royalty kings. Royalty. Hey. Treat all of my niggas like royalty. And all of my bitches, they loyal to me. I love it. It's Doc. My little bitch that asked me, Doc, what do you need, your highness? I just spent the 100 with TV journey, just on diamonds. Spent another 60 with Elliot, yeah, for perfect timing. Too much money in front of me, put all the bullshit behind me, yeah. Hear no evil, see no evil, I just see dead bread. My boys, they stupid with the choppers on your dreadheads. Now I ain't coming to America, I'm coming to California. All of my bitches, they loyal to me, that's how I got my diploma. Besides the road, go Cartier. I do what I want with this shit like Kanye. I only drink syrup, no Bombay. I knew I was gonna do this shit big one day. You get too much money, then they get afraid. My great-great-granddaddy used to be a slave. They start to hate on you when they know that you paid. Fuck it, I guess it's the price that you pay. Yeah, royalty. Yeah, royalty. Ain't never made me and women. Treat all my niggas like royalty. My brothers.
Gang, what's up, gang?
Loyal to me. Yeah.
OTG, what's up? Hey.
Royalty kings. Royalty. Hey. Treat all of my niggas like royalty. And all of my bitches, they loyal to me. I love it. Stop. My trap house is my castle. My bitch, my trap queen. Ain't see a crack fiend. Your bitch look like a drag queen. What the fuck? That fuck got 2 million 20s and put it in the wall. I tell all my bitches ain't getting my car with no drops. I wanna fuck bad, but I'm sorry I can't put it in rock. Me and my little boy just went to spend 20 of them out. I'm a dog, a motherfucking dog. I'm about till I'm falling, ain't fucking with y'all. All my niggas wear crowns. All my niggas bossed up. All my niggas got bad bitches. Don't none of us give a fuck. I'm always on the way to get the money. Don't never ask me where I'm going. Fell asleep on the jet. Woke up in a form. Yeah, royalty. Yeah, royalty. Ain't never made me and women. Treat all of my niggas like royalty. My brothers. And all of my bitches, they loyal to me. Yeah. Hey, yeah, royalty kings. Royalty.
Let's go, gang. OTG, what's up, gang? Let's go. We going in right now. Everybody hit that like button. Jay-Z, report to the principal office, Mike.
Please don't make me have to turn up. All guys know brains burn up. I'm trapping on the phone, it's a burner. Don't trust no nigga wanna come up. I'll step a nigga, make him shut up. Like my bitches, no makeup. I'd rather go and get some money. I don't got time to lay up. Please don't
that like button again.
Trust no nigga wanna come up. I'll step a nigga, make me shut up. Like my bitches, no makeup. I don't ready to go and get some money. I don't got time to lay up. I don't got time to chill. I was sleep, now I'm up about the pill. Most of y'all niggas ain't real. Like duct tape, I'ma keep it sealed. And you know the Glock over seal. Come around, pussy nigga get killed. Fuck around, pussy nigga get murdered. I'ma put his face on the shirt. She gon' put her face in my lap. I'ma let her ride while I trap. I'ma hit the bitch from the back. Then I'ma cut her off, that's a wrap. Please don't make me have to snap. I'ma knock you out, that's a nap. I hung up, why you call her back? No, you can't get your shit back. Please don't make me have to turn on. All guys know break, burn up.
I'm trapping on the phone, it's a burner.
Trust no nigga wanna come up.
Y'all hit that like button, let's go. Who wanna see that paperwork from Jay-Z, man? Who wanna see that paperwork from Jacob, man?
Please don't make me have to turn on.
Jacob, man, I'm fucked up now.
I'm trapping on the phone, it's a burner. Trust no nigga wanna come up. I'll step a nigga, make me shut up. Like my bitches, no makeup. I don't ready to go and get some money. I don't got time to lay up. All my bitches be bad. All your bitches be trash. I don't come for no hoe, I pass. You loving that hoe, you ain't smash. I done run it up off the trap. Tryna rob this stupid ass club. No Bob, I'ma push shit back.
That's a real last. I was in the place getting money. You was just around faking deals. I was on the time to appeal. Nigga, you a rat, you a squeal. I can tell on your own man.
Keep it 7 out, never take a stand. If I want down, I'm expand.
Free all my niggas in the can. Please don't make me have to turn on. All gas, no break, burner. I'm trapping on the phone, it's a burner.
Trust no nigga wanna come up. I'll step a nigga, make me shut up. Like my bitches, no makeup. I don't ready to go and get some money. I don't got time to lay up. Please don't make me have to turn on. All guys know break, burner. I'm trapping on the phone, it's a burner. Trust no nigga wanna come up. I'll step a nigga, make me shut up. Like my bitches, no makeup. I don't ready to go and get some money. I don't got time to lay up.
Alright, now y'all hit that like button real quick, man. Hit that like button so we can get on through right now. This is the last song and we going in. Jay-Z. Oh, report to the office, man. Everybody, y'all get y'all cops ready, man. Y'all know what time it is. It's the game. I feel sorry for the people that ain't members in this box, man. And I'm still sipping on the cup, nigga. I don't give a fuck. OTG, where y'all at? Where my gang at?
And I'm still sipping out the cup, nigga, I don't give a fuck. And they know I keep a Glock tucked, nigga, try me out with your ass up. It's a 9 on my mind, I don't say too much. I be in my feelings. She asked me why I don't text me. Baby, I don't want no dealing. My heart been in pain so long. Like how do you feeling? I be quick to cut you off for no reason. Baby, I just wanna fucking with the tears. I wanna believe when I was a leap bleeding. Hey, don't have
Come on, come and wet you up. Hey, like record mouth is broken, blue is touch. Hey,
I'm a Hellcat, you
niggas in the dust.
I'm about to stab a nigga, I don't wanna fall. Like quick, nigga, I'm bust. Glock got a clip like a crash. I think she ain't diamond, she ain't crack. She got that splash when she want, I wanna. I be riding in the whip, but you can't see it. I lost my mom,
Cause I'm a demon.
I ain't going to them either. I risked it all, you in my freedom. Heard you a rat on the mama heat. I wouldn't wanna be. My heart too cold like it came out
The freezer.
Can't do it by myself, nigga, I don't need you. Blind to the bullshit, nigga, I don't see it. Every nigga I had, I know he the heat. They be put the air on my like he was weak.
Like Wayne, we ain't got no ceilings.
I've been on the journey too much. One call to my dog, he quit the punch. No quarter, put him on a hate.
Quarter.
I was talking to stranger.
Don't talk to stranger.
I be on time, bitch, I'm never late. Baby, quit the drop it down, I'm out because of hate. Stick it to myself, but I'll put you in your place. I'm a real one. Got a gun, he ain't gon' kill none.
We ain't waiting.
You ain't got no fire, you better get you
You ain't got no fire, you better get you one.
It's time for the sun. I think I'm chosen, I feel like the one. Took too many losses, it's time that I won. I ain't gonna stop till I feel I'm done. I might rob a park just to feel them. I don't like to chase, but I've been on the run. Only one that talks about some things, man. I'll turn a nigga to a skeleton. I'll be outside, I'm getting melanin. Nigga, we don't know you irrelevant. And I don't fuck with niggas like I'm celibate. But I'll fuck your bitch, nigga, I'm a gentleman.
Jacob man. Yeah, my son hard. Y'all ain't gotta tell me. What's up, Onan gang? What's up? What's up? What's up? Y'all now tuning in to Onan TV Paperwork Kings, the greatest in the land, man. Onan TV Paperwork Kings, the greatest in the land. What's up? Gang, 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 gang. Y'all, my bad, man. We over here having fun right now. Jacob man. Jigga man, jigga man, jigga man, jigga man, jigga man. All right, we going over this now. Check this out right here. Hey, that song hard in it. Don't even lie. Who all like that song? Put your thumbs up, man. That shit just put you in the mood right there. That song right there put me in the mood, man. I ain't even gonna lie. I kind of like that shit right there, man. I kind of love that shit right there. You feel me? I don't give a fuck.
Can't see it. I lost my mind, but y'all deep. I ain't going till I'm eating. I risk it all, even my friend. Hurt you a red on a mother heat.
What's up, man? Hey, yo, I'm here to say that this was, for 3 years, I have been speaking about the Dolph case, right? Everybody give me thumbs up. 3 years I've been speaking about the Dolph case. And for 3 years, I have linked jayz with the $22 million to the Dolph case. And I told y'all jayz gonna get his downfall. But we know the root of this shit. And in order for Gotti to go down, jayz gotta go down. The head of the snake gotta go first. So when jayz go down, which he's on the way, I believe, he gonna tell on Gotti and that Dolph shit. If they don't, they already know. But I believe that jayz gonna be like a drowning man in the middle of the ocean, grabbing for a straw, because the judge is against him now. The judge is against jayz and his lawyer, and I'm gonna tell you why. jayz and them, he offered Dolph some money, and Dolph didn't want to sign with him, and Dolph offered him some money to do a feature. So jayz about to get his medicine right now. Everybody understand that? jayz about to get his medicine. Hit the like button right now. And this is the start of the fall of Sodom and Gomorrah in the rap game. Because let me tell you something. All that shit jayz did, today the judge blasted him and his lawyer. Now the whole world want to be on jayz sack talking about, yeah, the girl lied, this and that. This judge pissed off about that interview. This judge know jayz them and the lawyers them allegedly had something to do with it. And thanks to Onan TV for putting it out there, while everybody been sack chasing on jayz, I told everybody his lawyer was a liar. Now let's read this. Today the judge, Torres, came out. She said, plaintiff Jane Doe filed this action October 20, alleged violation of the New York terms. All right. And they granted her, the plaintiff, motion to proceed anonymously, explaining that defendants had yet to appear in the matter in a balance of interest, weighing for or against anonymity may shift if it continues. On December 8, 2024, plaintiff amended her complaint to add Sean Carter, known professionally as jayz defendant. Okay? Plaintiff again sought to leave to proceed anonymously. But this time, Carter's counsel appeared and moved to deny her motion or in the alternative to dismiss her amended complaint pursuant to federal rules civil procedure. Carter also moved for expedited hearing on the issue. The next day, Carter's attorney filed a letter containing a declaration from an associate at his law firm recounting a phone conversation she had with an unnamed woman who claimed that the plaintiff counsel encouraged her to lie about her experience for the sexual assault. Carter's lawyer asked the court to consider this additional information in connection with the plaintiff's motion to proceed anonymously. Plaintiff counsel denied Carter's allegations against him. So this is all the things that they turned in to the courts, right? So let's go right here. On December 13, 2024, Carter's attorney filed an additional letter alerting to the court to recently published interview of the plaintiff on NBC News, right? And in the interview, plaintiff, speaking anonymously, explained her allegations against defendants and her reason for coming forward. The lawyer points in the interview which the plaintiff admitted inconsistencies in the story as evidence the plaintiff claims have no factual basis and that Carter requested an expedited hearing so that he could get it thrown out. The next day, Carter's counsel submitted another filing motion for emergency right here. A motion to proceed anonymously. In deciding whether the plaintiff may proceed anonymously, courts balance all of these right here. All of these factors. Whether litigation, high, serious, and this and that and the third. Plaintiff lawyer has since responded, arguing Rule 11 would not be appropriate. All right. So, here the weight of the factors tips in favor of allowing plaintiff to remain anonymous at least for this stage of litigation. Factors 1, 2, 4, and 7 weigh strongly in favor for anonymity. In her amended complaint, plaintiff alleges defendants drugged and raped her when she was 13. Right here. According to the complaint, she continues, and NBC allowed her to conduct the interview anonymously. Right? And they said already, moreover, the plaintiff counsel asserts that many of his other clients who have filed lawsuits against Sean Combs have been threatened by Mr. Combs to speaking out. Granted, several factors weigh against allowing plaintiff to proceed anonymously. Plaintiff is challenging the actions of private parties, not the government and the media surrounding all of this right here. So, most importantly, plaintiff continued anonymity may cause prejudice to defendants, making it more difficult for them to collect facts. So, Combs' most significant prejudice to defendants as the discovery disadvantage the plaintiff anonymity will present. The court does not take such prejudice lightly. Nevertheless, at this exceedingly early stage in the case, the factors counseling against disclosure outweigh those that counsel in favor, and they telling you. So according to the plaintiff, motion to proceed anonymously is granted. Plaintiff is advised that because of these factors will certainly shift in the case proceeds, especially if when the parties engage in discovery in earnest, the court intends to revisit this decision at a future date. So they went into the discovery on the case for remaining motions. Since Carter attorney first appeared in this case 17 days ago, y'all listening to this? He has submitted a litany of letters and motions attempting to impugn the character of the plaintiff's lawyer, many of them expounding on the purported urgency of the case. Okay? And they say describing plaintiff counsel as self-promoting and accusing him of extortion, requesting to be heard on an expedited basis, and accusing the plaintiff counsel of exploiting the legal process to generate media attention, asserting that the plaintiff counsel seeks to benefit himself and all of this bullshit. Carter's lawyer relentless filing of combative motions containing inflammatory language and an ad hominem attacks is inappropriate. The judge saying jayz lawyer language and his actions is inappropriate. Come on, guy, hit the like button. Jayz lawyer the court saying is a waste of judicial resources and tactic unlikely to benefit his client. The court will not fast track the judicial process merely because counsel demands it. Jay-Z lawyer done fucked up with his relentless filing of combative motions containing inflammatory language and attacking another officer of the court. Didn't I tell y'all that this could get him disbarred? Didn't I tell y'all this could get him disbarred? Now they done fucked up and put the judge against him. Let's just speak about this right here. Jay-Z lawyer is a jackass and he ain't smart. Who all agree with me? Give me thumbs up. This is what the court saying about his lawyer. The court saying Jay-Z lawyer filing these frivolous ass shit, right? He making accusations and wasting, and he's saying that the court should fast track this. The court said we don't move like that. We don't move like that. Did you get that? Did you get that, gang? The court say we don't move like that, sir. So Jay-Z lawyer is an imbecile. Who knows what an imbecile is? Right? He think he run the court because he some high power ass lawyer. Now the court saying, fuck you. Get up out of here. You and all this filing and all this trying to rush us to get this case. What wrong with Jay-Z? Why Jay-Z keep trying to rush the process? Why he keep trying to rush the courts, rush the process? And this judge is a female. And this judge is sitting there looking at this saying, his attacks is inappropriate and a waste of judicial resources and a tactic unlikely to benefit his client. So the judge know what you're doing. The judge said you got a tactic you using to try to shit the world into believing this because you ain't even supposed to have no interview with that girl. So moreover, although Carter's attorney assails plaintiff lawyer as having a chronic inability to follow the rules, Carter's counsel has failed to abide by this court's clear rules. God damn! Under the court's individual practice in civil cases and limited exceptions, pre-motion letter is required prior to the filing of any motion. Although Carter's attorney stated that he intended to file immediately a motion to strike the first amended complaint under the rule, he did not give plaintiff the requisite 5 business days to respond, wait for the court to schedule a motion, or state whether any exception to the court individual practices applied. This is unacceptable. Counsel is hereby advised that any further motion filed in violation of the court's individual practice may and will be denied on that ground alone. Did Onan not tell y'all this lawyer is a fucking fool? Did I not tell y'all Jay-Z lawyer is a fool? Did you get that, gang? Come on now, tell me Onan is the greatest. I told y'all Jay-Z lawyer go get in trouble. I said Jay-Z lawyer go get in trouble with the courts for doing all this shit. Talking about the man, saying all this shit, filing all these motions. Lastly, although Carter's attorney is entitled to file Rule 11 without first seeking a leave of the court, an individual practice of court discourages this approach. If he still intends to serve the plaintiff with a motion for sanctions, the court denies his request to the short and safe harbor provisions contained in this rule. The judge gonna burn Jay-Z ass up. Jay-Z, you got to fire this motherfucker. Woo, you got to fire him immediately. The courts don't like his lawyer. Everybody understand that? Give me thumbs up. They call Jay-Z lawyer inappropriate They say he violating the law. And he think he the man. The court will not fast track the process merely because of counsel demands. They trying to hurry up and brush this under the rug so Jay-Z can clear his name before the Super Bowl. NFL, you better cancel him right now, his ass out of here. Lastly, although Carter's attorney is entitled to make that motion without seeking to leave the court discourages his approach. If he still intends to serve motion for sanctions, the court denies his request before it even comes to the shortened C form. They denying this Negro before the court said Jay-Z lawyer is out of bounds. On merits, Carter motion to strike is denied. Motion to strike under are generally disfavored and will be granted only if there's strong reason to do so. Right here. Carter's motion with summary asserts that the plaintiff claims are basis does not clear that high bar. Right here. So the court said, if the girl got inconsistencies, that don't mean the story ain't true. That don't mean that it ain't true. She got inconsistencies. That don't mean that shit ain't true. Hit the like button. I think Jay-Z better wake Johnny Cochran ass up. He better wake Johnny Cochran up. The judge said they go deny all their motions before they even put him in. Before they even put him in, he has submitted remaining motions. They say since Carter's lawyer has joined, they say 17 days ago he has submitted a litany of letters and motions attempting to impugn the character of the plaintiff's lawyer, many of them expounding on the purported urgency of this case, accusing them of extortion, that they claims is baseless, that he just want to benefit himself. And it says describing the plaintiff's counsel as willing and blatantly to violate core ethical obligation of attorneys and requesting hearing motion of next day. Carter's lawyer relentless filing of combative motions contain inflammatory language and ad hominem attacks is inappropriate, a waste of judicial sources, and a tactic unlikely to benefit his client. The court will not fast track the judicial process merely because the counsel demand. The judge in the court's telling him in New York, Jay-Z lawyer is trash and he violating the law. They think, see, Jay-Z lawyer think he bigger than the system. Jay-Z lawyer think he bigger than the system. Now, I told y'all we did a video. And I told y'all Jay-Z lawyer got caught lying and all of this shit. Y'all remember that, right? So let's go right here real quick. We gonna come right back to that. Let's go right here. Jay-Z lawyer.
Voice for yourself.
Federal and a defendant can be assessed as fit to stand trial. So, if gunshot, right? Bullshit, bro. Come on, gang. These niggas millionaires in bullshit. Do this look like a White House, bitch? Listen. And I bet you. He said he ain't know what the fuck she talking about.
Her allegations. She says that she went to the MTV Video Music Awards in 2000.
Jay-Z lawyer outright violated constitutional law. Right? Right here, look. That nigga said, look, how did you get that? Put it in the book. This is why Jay-Z did this. The feds watched Jay-Z manipulate, tamper with the witness through NBC. Through NBC? He used the same people. He used the same R. Kelly to jail. Gayle King, include himself, and say, it's really sad. In many respects. In many respects. I don't want to get. And I don't want to get into that. So I'm not going to. So I'm not going to unmask her here today. I'm not going to unmask her here today. So you telling everybody you know who she is. You in violation. You in violation. Bitch, did you get that? You in violation. In violation. Look at on there and showing y'all that. Hit the like button. I'm showing y'all I call this man out when the whole world been on his sack. I said this nigga here violating. Jay-Z lawyer in violation of a court order. In violation of a court order, and I just read this to you. Before this came out, I said he's in violation of a court order. I said he in violation of a court order. And right here, they say he's in violation of the ethical codes. The attorney has violated inappropriate language, a tactic by doing this. Check it out. The court hasn't unmasked her. And he told the reporters. Hit the like button again if I shut this shit down. That he know who she is. And since the court ain't unmasked her, he ain't gonna know it neither. So he's telling you he knows who she is. Jay-Z is the fucking dummy. Jay-Z a dummy. Dummy. Jay-Z so desperate. He like, they say a drowning man a grab for a straw in the middle of the ocean if he think it'll save his life. Just imagine Jay-Z in the abyss and he drowning. He'll grab for a straw if he think it'll save his life. And his lawyer just said he has knowledge who this lady is. And the courts did identify her. So he's not going to identify her. And he shouldn't have knowledge of who she is. He shouldn't have knowledge. He find out who she is. He anonymously. And I read you the paperwork. You caught it again. Man with this
in fame, he doesn't care about truth and justice. That's what's going on.
He doesn't care about truth and justice, and that's what's going on right now. Saying that he don't care about truth and justice. So how the hell this lawyer can go do an interview, tampering with all this shit, right? Tampering with all this shit. And right here, it show you. Right here, it show you. He in clear violation of the courts. Clear violation of the courts. So they saying Carter's motion to strike the amended complaint under rule is denied. By January 10th, plaintiff shall file a response to Carter's motion for order directing the preservation of evidence. And Carter shall file his reply, if any. Signed by the judge, so ordered today, December 26, 2024, New York, New York. The judge is on your ass, Jay-Z. On your ass. Jay-Z lawyer, Jay-Z about to fire this lawyer. And then the lawyer said, him and Pop Daddy ain't no friends. We ain't even gonna get on that. Jay-Z lawyer is a liar, a manipulator, and he think he above the law. Facts. The court say this motherfucker think he above the law, and he's saying he trying to bully the courts. The court said we don't move like that. Before you file any motions, you gotta file pre-motions, and so they can set a motion date and all this. You just filing shit because you say that. You accuse Tony Busby of not having jurisdiction in federal court of New York. Now, do you see the judge say Tony Busby don't got jurisdiction in New York? Do you see it anywhere in this declaration that Tony Busby don't have a license to practice in New York? I just want to ask y'all this one question. Did you get that, gang? Do Tony Busby, do you see anywhere in here they say Tony Busby don't have jurisdiction to practice in federal court in New York? The nigga lied just like I told y'all he did. He lied and lied and lied and lied, and the courts got your ass, homeboy. They got you right now. And it ain't looking good for you, nigga. It ain't looking good. Y'all try to smear that damn witness with autism and all this shit, and LeBron James and all y'all niggas, Leonardo DiCaprio, them getting out of the country. Everybody trying to haul ass. Ellen DeGeneres, everybody trying to haul ass. Jay-Z trying to fight. Jay-Z, you better get your ass on a flight and get the fuck up out there and go chill with goddamn Russell Simmons. Cause boy, your ass in trouble. The court's already on your heels. The Fed's gonna get you, Jay-Z. They know what you've been doing. Your time has ran out, homie. The Jigga Man, the gig is up, homeboy. Jigga Man, the gig is up. Your reign of power is to be no more. Revelation chapter 9, 1:1. And the merchants of the earth who have committed fornications. Hold up. Let me put it on the board for y'all. Revelation chapter 9, 1:1. All right? Let's go to King James Version. 9:11. King James Version. And they had a king over them, which is the angel of the bottomless pit, whose name was Hebrew tongue. Abaddon, I guess it is. But the Greek tongue. 9:11. Watch this. The divine completeness and the power of God, right? And the power of God, all right? And the kings of the earth who have committed fornication. Revelation said, the kings of the earth who have committed fornication with her, and the inhabitants of the earth, 17 doth dead, have been made drunk with the wine of her fornication. Lord have mercy. These niggas going down. The kings of the earth sinned sexually with her. The people of the earth became drunk from the wine of her sexual sin. Revelation Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. King James. Right. For all the nations have drunk of the wine of the wrath of her fornication, and the kings of the earth who have committed fornication with her, and the merchants of the earth are waxed rich through the abundance of her delicacy. All right? And the kings of the earth who have committed fornication and lived delicacy with her shall bewail no more, and lament for her when they shall see the smoke of her burning, standing afar for the fear of her torment, saying, alas, alas, the great city, Babylon, that mighty city, for in 1 hour thy judgment is to come. And the merchants of the earth shall weep and mourn over her, for no man buyeth their merchandise anymore. The merchandise of gold, silver, precious stone, pearls, fine linen, purple silk, and scarlet, and iron wood, and all manner of vessels and ivory, and manner of vessels of precious wood and brass and iron and marble. Cinnamons, everything. The merchants of these things were made rich by her, stand afar from her torment, weeping and wailing, saying, at last, the great city that was clothed in fine linen and purple scarlet and decked with gold, precious stones and pearls, for in 1 hour so great riches has come no more. And every shipmaster and all company and ships and sailors made as trade by sea stood afar and cried when they see the smoke of her burning, saying, what city is like unto this great city?
To who?
And they cast dust on their heads, crying and weeping and wailing, saying, at last, New York, that great city. Y'all remember Lil Mama jump up on the stage? New York. Remember Jay-Z been on the stage with Alicia Keys? And they've been singing New York. This is the big city of what dreams were made of. Well, Babylon is falling. Yes, Lord. Babylon is falling, and it is written, as Nas would say. It is written. It is written. What you seeing now is it's written. It's written in stone. All of this shit Jay-Z did. And they said many other clients who have filed similar lawsuits against Sean Combs have been threatened by Mr. Combs. And finally, plaintiff sat an interview with NBC concerning her case. NBC allowed her to conduct the interview anonymously. Granted, several factors weigh against allowing plaintiff to proceed anonymously. Right there, she was not supposed, Jay-Z, them lawyer and all of them was not supposed to do this. One thing you ain't gonna beat is God. And the next thing you ain't gonna beat is the word of God. I told y'all Jay-Z gonna take the fall. And I'm gonna say it one more time. He gonna take the fall for Dolph. He gonna take the fall for Tupac. He gonna take the fall for Biggie. He gonna take the fall for Big L. He gonna take the fall for DMX. They gonna take the fall for Whitney Houston, Michael Jackson. They gonna take the fall for Prince. They gonna take the fall for all our legends that left us way too early. Because somebody had to be moved out the way in order for this nigga to take the throne. Something like the mob. Y'all remember when the Gambino family and Gotti took over? They had to kill the boss. So now this has been going on for decades. All these rappers coming up dead, being offered money by these dudes, denying it. Nipsey Hussle is also in this. The Vector deal. Nipsey Hussle is going to get justice when Jay-Z go down. Dolph gonna get justice when Jay-Z go down. Biggie gonna get justice when Jay-Z and Puffy go down. When Jay-Z and Puffy go down, the souls of the earth is gonna cry and mourn all night from being joyful that Satan and his most dangerous carriers have taken the fall. And then let me tell y'all something. They say a fool and his money soon shall part. You a billionaire and you accused of sex trafficking, rape, and all this shit on minors. Aaliyah gonna get her justice. Left Eye from TLC gonna get her justice. Don't forget about Left Eye, y'all. Don't forget about Craig Mack. Don't forget about all these people that done take the fall for us to be here today. There's a lot of blood on this paperwork. There's a lot of bloodshed on this paperwork, homie. There's a lot of blood, sweat, and tears on this paperwork, dog. But we got God sitting on that throne coming through that judge right now. Don't forget Heavy D. Don't forget Easy E. Don't forget Slim 400. Don't forget none of them. Drake or the Ruler. Don't forget XX Extension. Don't forget Camouflage. Don't forget none of the fallen soldiers in the rap game that were turned into insurance policies. Don't forget. Now the biggest demon of them all, the big three, Sony, Universal. Michael Jackson told y'all that Tommy Mottola was the devil. Don't forget what Michael Jackson told y'all. Tommy Mottola was the devil. This is God at his great finest right now. Everybody see this paperwork on the board. All the tactics Jay-Z used. All the bullshit he did to them people. It's all backfired on him. It's all backfired on Jay-Z. So Jay-Z, who you gonna blame now? Your lawyer? For being aggressive? The court's on to you. The judges on to you. New York on to you. New York on your reasonable doubt. 1/3, thank you, Miss T, for the super sticker. New York on your reasonable doubt. Your 1/3 a reasonable doubt. Damn Dash gave it up to him. Now, Damn Dash, you've been talking a lot for a couple days. And I don't like that shit, Damn Dash. Because you right there with him over that Leah shit. So don't think Damn Dash is something we should listen to. Damn Dash, you've been right there with the motherfuckers. R. Kelly, Aaliyah, and Jay-Z. Yep, you've been right there. Now, how on there can see that? It's right here. The picture is worth 1,000 words. Picture is worth 1,000 words. Damn Dash, you over there hating on Jay-Z. It's all cool. But don't forget, you was amongst these niggas. And just because you got out of the ranks, don't mean you ain't got your pitchfork, homie. So around you running around on the internet, running your fucking mouth, when you been dating this same low ass girl, Damn Dash. You and this man fought, fell out behind this girl. Look at that. Look, she was a child in. So when you talk about damn Dash, get your ass off the internet. You ain't no better than them niggas. You going down with them too, then. You going down with them too. So that's what I'm telling y'all. The pot calling the kettle black. The pot calling the kettle black. Oh, I don't know. Them ain't my friends no more. Them ain't my friends no more. I don't know what they got going on. Damn Dash, what you talking for? You need to shut your ass up. What you know about that plane crash with Aaliyah? Since you love Aaliyah so much, tell him jayz did it. Because that's what you insinuating. Allegedly. So if you love Aaliyah so much, tell him what they did to Aaliyah. Fuck all that talking you doing on the internet, nigga. You know what's going on. Tell us what happened to Aaliyah. Right or wrong, gang. We don't want his shit from damn Dash till he tell us what happened to Aaliyah. Now, you can talk, nigga, when you decide to open your fucking mouth about Aaliyah. Until then, we don't want his shit from you about no jayz. Because you ain't no better than these demons. If you's a man, damn Dash, I challenge you, Onan TV. Everybody go tag them. Tell damn Dash Onan is on his ass. And he don't want me to go looking up that paperwork. So you and Biggs and all you motherfuckers, if you want to jump your ass on the internet, tell the world what you think happened to Aaliyah. Go to the feds and tell them, I think my homeboys killed her. Oh Lord, we in church today. Can I get an old name? And then after that, can I get an amen and praise God for this? I'm fucking him up right now. Because he know exactly what happened to her. So do you want to tell it? Damn. And until you tell it, nigga, fuck you. We don't want to hear nothing you got to say. We ain't want to hear shit you got to see till you tell us what happened to Aaliyah. And that's all I got to say about that coward, damn Dash. He can shut up and get the fuck out of here because we don't care about what he got going on. We don't care to hear nothing you saying until you tell us what happened to Aaliyah and Left Eye Lopez. That's it. You can't talk until you contribute to stopping the demons. We don't want to hear that shit. So let me tell y'all one more thing. Onan too real for this shit. Y'all see I put up the video last night. They take my video down on LeBron James. Everybody else got a video on LeBron James. They take my shit down. Right? All I did was say the same thing everybody else said about LeBron James. So they take my video down. So I had to appeal it, and they put it back. But the point is, why y'all take my shit and they ain't take nobody else's shit? And I ain't say nothing in the video. All I did was narrate what somebody else said about LeBron James. But y'all take my shit. So gang, we being suppressed. We are being suppressed. Everybody knows it. So we got to fight against this shit. We got to fight. I ain't worried about no views. I ain't worried about none of that. Just know that I'm fighting against pure D evil. The demons at its best. I'm fighting against pure D evil, and I've been fighting for 4 years, 3 years, 4 years now. Damn near fighting against evil, bro. Fighting against all evil, bro. And when I tell y'all to support me, it ain't because we want it. It's because we need it to survive in the hellfire, man. We need it to support to survive in the hellfire. When you don't hit the like button, guess what it does? It keeps the video out the algorithm. How many of y'all got y'all all bell notifications turned on? How many of y'all signed up for the memberships? How many of y'all hit the subscribe button? How many of y'all look for the videos? These people don't want this message out. Especially from me, okay? They don't want it out. Because when you speak the truth, you're going to be the most hated motherfucker in the world. Don't think because you speaking the truth, everybody going to love you. Fuck no. You going to be public enemy number one when you speaking the word of God and you speaking the truth. Nobody going to like you. You going to be hated, bro. You going to be hated because there's more evil in this world than good. Evil outnumber the good. So don't think that we going to just be loved and they going to take us with open arms and all these big bloggers going to let us on their plate. No, they full of fucking lies and they scared of me. Why you think you ain't never see Onan sitting on nobody's couch, on nobody's shit? Them niggas damn scared of me, man. Because they know that my knowledge and what's behind me and God, they can't take. The Vlad TVs, the No Jumpers, all these big bloggers, the academics, all them motherfuckers. Nothing more dangerous than an educated black man and God got his hand on him. Nothing more dangerous than a black man educated, speak the truth of God for the people. Nothing more hated in this world than that. Y'all heard J. Edgar Hoover said. He said this. J. Edgar Hoover said this, bro. He said, y'all think y'all want to be rebels and militia? Well, you're going to be dead rebels and dead militias and dead niggas when you go against the government. When we speak from God and we speak from the paperwork. We got the whole fucking internet putting up paperwork. Have y'all ever seen so many bloggers now? Everybody putting up paperwork, but can they break it down like Onan and show you the videos predicting it before this and after this, Onan Stradamus? You ain't seen nothing like this. You can go on Tisa Tales, you can go all them, none of them can explain this right here like this and then show you they call it before the shit even happened. And show you that they call it before it even happened. That's what you assuming, right? Gang, is that what he assuming?
Boss joins us in studio. So Chloe, report these inconsistencies and they are now out there in the public?
Yes, and because of our exclusive report here on Top Story, he's actually going to have Jane Doe do a polygraph test. He says he hasn't done it yet, but that they are going to be doing it this week. He also said in a statement to us moments ago that their conduct throughout all of this.
Everybody want to tell you that. Everybody want to tell you now that. When you go on the internet now, everybody talk about jayz, paperwork denied, jayz motion. Right here you see jayz huge legal blow, Bosby wins, slam, judge slams him 58 minutes ago. That's a good one. jayz lost. Right here, me. jayz files emergency motion 2 weeks ago to suppress the truth. jayz, y'all see this, what's going on now? We've been speaking on jayz in this situation for a long, long time. And I told you how this lawyer try to program everybody. You ain't getting out of here.
A court is not a master in court.
The court ain't a master.
I'm not going to get into her identity.
Because you should know her identity. So the judge can say, sir, he should not know this woman's identity, right or wrong. He say, I'm not going to unmask her here today. I'm not going to get into her identity. You should know this. That's why the court's fucking you up. Because they saying, oh, you telling the world you know who she is. But right here they saying, when he did the NBC, right here, on December 13th, Carter's attorney filed additional letter alerting the court to a recent published interview on NBC. The interview plaintiff speaking anonymously explained her allegations against defendants and her reason for coming forward. Carter's lawyer points to the interview in which the plaintiff admitted inconsistencies in her stories as evidence that the plaintiff claims have no factual basis whatsoever. The court say you're wrong. He also argues the plaintiff counsel violated federal rule procedure by failing to undertake the reasonable inquiry into the facts before filing the complaint, failing to seek the admission price for pro hack vice to this court. Carter's attorney requested an expedited briefing scheduled for a motion to strike the first complaint. Now, the next day, Carter's counsel submitted yet another filing, a motion for emergency order directing the preservation of evidence to striking the amended complaint under the rule. In deciding whether the plaintiff may proceed anonymously, courts balance these things so that they don't prejudice. And plaintiff lawyer has since responded that Rule 11 would not be appropriate here. And a court is not required to list each of the factors or use particular formulation as long as it is clear that the court balanced the interests at stake. Here's the weight of the factors that tip everything towards the plaintiff. Moreover, the plaintiff asserts this. Mr. Combs interviewed her. NBC allowed her to conduct the interview anonymously. Granted, several factors weigh against allowing plaintiff to proceed anonymously. Plaintiff is challenging the actions of the private parties and the governments, and given the media attention surrounding the case, the public has substantial interest in this litigation separate and apart from the interest of the accused being able to publicly confront the accuser. Most importantly, plaintiff continued anonymity may cause prejudice to defendants, making it more difficult for them to collect. The court does not take such prejudice lightly. Nevertheless, it is exceedingly early stage in this case. The factors counseling against disclosure outweigh those that counsel in favor. According to the plaintiff's motion to proceed, anonymity is granted. Now the remaining motion, they tear that fucking judge ass up. Hit the like button. And they say the court will not fast track the judicial process merely because counsel demands it. Jayz took a big fucking blow with this. The judge said, fuck you, just because your lawyer is some hot shot nigga, Mark Zuckerberg. We don't work like that. And Carter's attorney assails that the plaintiff lawyer as having chronic inability to follow the rules. Who ain't following the rules? Carter's counsel has failed to abide by this court's clear rules. So Carter's counsel has failed to abide by this court clear rules. He has violated the court rules. The courts and the judges telling you Carter's counsel has failed to abide by the court's rules. The motherfucker violate all court procedures just like I told you. Yeah. Who want to argue this? Carter counsel failed to abide by this court clear rules. Under the court's individual practice in civil cases, and with limited exceptions, you got to file a pre-motion letter is required prior to filing of any motion. Although Carter's attorney stated that he had intended to file the motion to strike the First Amendment complaint, he did not give the plaintiff requisite 5 business days to respond. Wait for the court a motion schedule, or state whether any exception to the court's individual practices apply. This is unacceptable. Unacceptable. The court saying, Jayz, you trying to bully the court and you trying to bully the witnesses. the plaintiff. Ain't this beautiful, gang? Hit the like button, gang. Support us. Sign up. And I'm going to wrap this up right now because I got to come back for another live on the Young Dog. This jayz lawyer, all y'all share this, like this. For the people that support us, thank you. But on that, I showed y'all. jayz lawyer is out of his fucking mind. He has violated the courts. He has violated everything. Now, I'm going to put the link in the box. Anybody want to come up and say something for the people in it? If y'all want to come ask any questions right now, I will put the link in here, give you a couple seconds to hit the link. So you only got a couple seconds to hit the link. If you want to hit the link, you got a couple seconds. But this jayz lawyer has fucked up tremendously. This lawyer can't step foot in that court. They'll never respect him. They will never respect this lawyer in that court because he done violated. Every time he open his mouth, the judge gonna slam his ass because he think he the judge. And we called this shit. And we told the whole fucking world that this lawyer gonna get in trouble. This lawyer accused this man all kind of shit. This lawyer, thank you, Queen Hannah, for super sicker. This lawyer accused the witnesses. They tampered, obstructed justice. They did a lot of shit. And these people know about it. So now the feds gonna get them videotapes that they took out of Puffy house. And you about to see jayz, Jennifer Lopez, and the rest of them allegedly pop up on one of them shit in a minute. They gonna pop up on one of them shit in a minute, gang. Remember what I tell you, they already got jayz in a chokehold. They just threw the low blood in the water to see how far he been gonna go to obstruct justice. He obstructed justice with the courts, and he obstructed justice with the plaintiff. He obstructed justice, and they watched him do it. Through his lawyer by attacking another lawyer, and through NBC by having this interview that violated the court's responsibility. They did a whole press conference, and that fucking judge watched it. That judge watched his lawyer hold a press conference in front of the world discussing discovery in this case. jayz, you might well bow the fuck down. It's over for you. It's over. Y'all have gave discovery to the world in this case. You have prejudiced the courts. You have prejudiced the people, the media, the public. And Wendy Williams said that y'all are masters of manipulating the media. And funny how Wendy Williams lost all her health after talking about them people. Oh, it's over with. Thank y'all for coming in tonight. jayz, you about to get your medicine. You about to get your medicine, jayz. You about to get your medicine. Thank y'all for the support. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Cash App on the board. If y'all want me to come back tonight, show y'all support. If y'all want me to come back tonight, show your support, man. Give me a fucking reason to want to come back. Fuck that. Let's go, gang. And I'm still sipping up the cup, nigga. I don't give a fuck. Who this? Hold on. ND, what's up? Show your face real quick. ND on the bottom. Let me see your face. Show your face real quick so I can make sure you ain't flashing the camera and nothing. All right. What's up, man?
What's going on?
What's going on? Who there?
The Don.
Oh, Don, what's up, man? God damn, Don. I can call you on the phone. Yeah,
Oh man, my tripping.
I'll call you on the phone. We out of here, man.
All right, all right.
All right. On that gang, we the best. Y'all like, share, subscribe, pass this video around. For the people that sent us a cash out, we love you. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year, man. Let's go.
And I'm still sipping out the cup, nigga, I don't give a fuck.
Renee, thank you for the cash out, baby. Renee and Darren Davis, thank y'all for the cash out, man. Let's go, gang. Guess what, gang?
And I'm still
Sipping up the cup, nigga, I don't give a fuck.
And you know I keep Glock tucked, nigga, try me out with your ass up. It's a line on the bottom, I don't say too much. I be in my feelings. She asked me why I'm text me. Baby, I don't want no dealings. My heart been in pain so long. Like how they hate healing. I be quick to cut you off for no reason. Baby, I just wanna fuck in with the teaser. I'll wipe it in your nose and leave bleeding. Ay, no pedophile come and touch you. Ay, like black and white be smoke if you act up. Ay, I'm a Hellcat, you get left in the dust. I'm about to stand it, nigga, I don't wanna fall.
Like quick, but I'm a bust.
Glock got a clip like a crash. My baby, she a diamond, she a crack. She got that splash when she wanna. I be riding in the whip, but you can't see it. Ay, I done lost my mind, bitch, I'm a demon. Ay, I ain't going to them either. Ay, I'll risk it all, even my free. Heard you a red on the monkey. I wouldn't wanna be him. My heart too cold like he came out the freezer. Can't do it by myself, nigga, I don't need you. Blind to the bullshit, nigga, I don't see it. Every nigga I hang around, know he the evil. They be quick to hear him all like he was weasel. Like Wayne, we ain't got no ceilings. I've been on the drain too much. One call to my dog, he quit the punch. No call to put him on the hate. I was taught him talk straight. These ain't real.
This nigga whole call in the street. EL call in the street. Let's go, gang. Hit the like button. We love y'all, gang. Let's go.
Stick it to myself, but I'll put you in your place.
I wanna one.
Gotta come
You
here.
ain't got no one.
And I ain't waiting for no deal to come. You ain't got no fire, you better get you one. I made it through, it's time for the sun. I think I'm chosen, I feel like the one. Took too many losses, it's time that I won. I ain't gonna stop till I feel I'm done. I might run a perk just to feel it. I don't like to chase, but I've been on the run. Only wanna talk is about some baby money. I'll turn a nigga to a skeleton. I'll be outside, I'm getting melanin. Nigga, we don't know you irrelevant. And I don't fuck with niggas like I'm celibate. But I'll fuck your bitch, nigga, I'm a gentleman.
Let's go, OTG. Let's go, gang. Y'all know what time it is. We the greatest, man. We don't worry about numbers over here. We worry about members.
Yeah.
Let's go. Y'all get y'all Patreon shit
I
up,
just
too.
sit here with a grapevine. Tell that you love when you stop crying. Yeah. I done ran out of love, so I stopped trying. I ran out of trust, so I stopped trusting. My heart don't stop feeling like a bust. Whoa. Can't find no love, so I chase money. Can't find no love, so I chase liquor. Quit popping all the pills, now it's out with sister. Real trap nigga, I don't like to take pictures. I did that magazine, I don't fuck with him. And if I fuck with him, I'm a boss with him. It ain't no question if wrong with you. These niggas be changing what's wrong with
Wrong.
These bitches be changing what's wrong with Yeah. Enough is enough, you can see I'm tired. You can see the pain on my damn eye. Sometimes I ask God why. Don't hop in if you ain't gon' slide. Don't hop in if you ain't gon' ride. I know they scared they don't wanna die. I've been doing dirt ducking one time. These fake ass bitches on my damn line. These fake ass bitches trying to waste time. I've been doing me, I can't make time. Couldn't find love, so I stopped trying. Couldn't find love, so I kept going. Don't tell me that you love me, you can't show it. I had things around me, and I didn't even know. Couldn't find trust, so I kept going. I can see the hate through the grapevine. Tell that you love me when you stop crying. I done ran out of love, so I stopped trying. I ran out of trust, so I stopped trusting. My heart don't stop feeling like a bust. Whoa. Can't find no love, so I chase money. Can't find no love, so I chase liquor. Quit popping on the pills, now it's out my system. Real trap nigga, I don't like to take pictures. I did that magazine, I don't fuck with him. And that fuck with him, I'm a boss with him. Ain't no question what's wrong with you. What's wrong with you? These bitches be changing what's wrong with you. Yeah. I'm so used to it now that it don't faze me. Talk to myself, think I'm going crazy. This life so hard, wish it be easy. Got a devil on my back trying to sleep. I just thank God that I'm breathing. I done lost all my feelings. Pain don't change, I'm still bleeding. Shit don't change, no, I'm still drinking. It's a lot on my mind, I be thinking.
The judge said the wrong tactic. The judge said the wrong tactic, man.
Put my faith in them niggas, they ain't even show. Put my faith in them bitches, but they all hoes. I don't even got no love no more. Yeah, so it's love on show. I just see the hate through the grapevine. Tell that you love me, you stop crying. Yeah. I done ran out of love, so I stopped trying. I ran out of trust, so I stopped trusting. My heart don't stop feeling like a bust. Whoa. Can't find no love, so I chase money. Can't find no love, so I chase liquor. Quit popping on the pills, now it's out my system. Real trap nigga, I don't like to take pictures. I did that magazine, I don't fuck with him. And that fuck with him, I'm a boss with him. There ain't no question what's wrong with you. These niggas be changing what's wrong with you. These bitches be changing what's wrong with you. Yeah.
The wrong tactic by attacking the lawyer. He said he think it's the wrong tactic by them attacking the trial lawyer. There you go. There you go. There you go, gang. There you go right there. The wrong tactic.
I want my own on my sleeve. I'm popping these pills on king. I just been up with no sleep. The road running for a week now. She wanna fuck with me right now.
I put the D in the bone. Yeah.
I show no feelings for real. Fuck around and get popped like a pill. If it's static, then we don't play fair. I'ma lay a nigga straight down. I know he's skinny, don't come around. I keep a 30 away, play rounds. I'ma lay him down. For the system, they tryna love
Me away.
I'ma keep on like
NBA.
I just been praying for
Better days.
I'm taking chances, get
Activate.
I get the money and calculate. I take a sip and I activate. I am too solid, can't duplicate.
Oh,
I
Lord.
pop myself had to isolate. I want my own on my sleeve. I'm popping these pills on king. I just been up with no sleep.
The road running for the week now.
She wanna fuck with me right now.
I put the D in the bone. Yeah.
I show no feelings for real. Fuck around and get popped like a pill. If it's steady, then we don't play fair. I'ma lay a nigga straight down. I know he's skinny, don't come around.
I put the 30 with 20 rounds. I'll lay him down.
Getting bigger cause I just been eating good. I can pull up in like any hood. I got them scared of this shit. And I wish a
Nigga would.
I got the sticks.
No would.
Fuck around and get your life.
Yeah.
I want my own on my sleeve. I'm popping these
Rock when I'm geek.
I just been up with no sleep.
The road running for a week now.
She wanna fuck with me right now.
I put the D in the bone. Yeah.
I show no feelings for real. Fuck around and get popped like a pill. If it's static, then we don't play fair. I'ma lay a nigga straight down. I know he's skinny, don't come around.
I put the 30 with 50 rounds. I'ma lay it down. We love y'all, gang. We out, babe. The wrong tactic, man. On that, the ruler. Ain't number one ruler, nigga. Number one ruler, one king, homie.